mission is to use the stored promethium in the refinery to destroy the enemy swarm. The Cadian... First, proceed to the Cadian outpost and establish their fate. You must then infiltrate the refinery and complete demolitions deployment. Trigger detonation only when the main swarm has entered the plaza zone. Captain Akaram will coordinate our efforts on the box.
Let us deliver the Emperor's wrath to these creatures.
Stealth ready. I spy an alien interloper. Active camouflage charge. Tyranids have no migrant tactics. Chameleoline cloak activated. Chameleoline cloak ready. Changing magazine. Munitions here. Deploying shrapnel grenade. I am a phantom of death. Alien bioform eliminated. Stealth ready. The stench of Xenos thickens the air. Chameleoline engaged. Active camouflage charge. Unseen, I stalk my target. Remain on guard. So and so approaching. The lictor stood no chance. Chameleoline cloak ready. Xenos cannot beat our strategies. Not yet. Reloading. Their numbers are no match for our training. Frag grenade out! Honest gun broken and calibrated. Rearm. Take all you can carry. They shall not see me. Fester and rot. Xenos abomination. Stealth ready. I am a phantom of death. Active camouflage charged. Tyranid high beast sighted. Stealth ready. Emilio line cloak activated.
Swatted the bulbous bastard out of the sky.
Readying next volley. Emilio line cloak ready. Emilio line engaged. Tossing frag grenade. They shall not. Xenos scum on scope. Inserting fresh magazine. Active camouflage charge. I have eyes on the guard camp. No sentries posted.
You're here. Now what?
Talassa, you need to acquire the Astra Militarum demolition codes required to deploy and arm their ordnance. Source one from any soldier you see, alive or otherwise.
Changing magazine. Stealth ready.
Always with time.
Emilio line cloak ready. Unseen, I stalk my target.
Copy. Captain, we are ready to get the demolition started. Proceed to the Prometheum refinery and complete the demolition preparations.
Active camouflage charged.
Never hesitate.
Convenience.
Unclog the
Harvest
water.
gun loaded and calibrated.
Magazine in. Enough crude Prometheum here to burn for years.
Emilio line cloak ready. Stealth ready. Emilio line cloak activated.
Just say.
Emilio line cloak ready. Unseen, I stalk. Alien bioform marked. Rearming. Readying next volley.
running out of time. How close are you to the Promethean facility?
Reaching the facility now.
You are making good time. We are going to need it.
All up on my position. Medical stims found.
Subterranean detonation in the crew Promethean. That will do.
Use the codes to prime the bomb and finish its deployment into the crypt Promethean well. Cautiously. If you know what is good for you.
Time to get to work, machine.
Rites of activation have been observed. The generators hum in the machine god's name. Crane sequencing initialized. Delivering payload.
Harness gun loaded and jammed.
The enemy has eyes on Generator 3.
Tyranid high beast sighted.
Erratic vibrations emitting from Generator 3. Operator, bring it into harmony with timing.
Emilio line close ready. I shall suffer your stealth ready. Reloading. Carry a big gun and never miss.
X-axis aligned by the Omnissiah's will.
Swarm moving on Gen. Does that mean it is close to finished? I think not.
Overcrowding alert at Generator 1. Unauthorized personnel. Observe your duties.
Active camouflage charged. Do I resemble a foe? No!
Missile on bound. Finish it, quick.
Tyrannies have no mind for tactics. Generator 4 has their attention.
Axis alert warning. Violent dismantling of Generator 4 in progress. Punish the ignorant iconoclasts.
Changing magazine. Precisely what we needed.
Fuel your packs, brothers.
Inserting fresh magazine.
Demolition deployment sequence completed. Metal aerosol cut the Osiris functional loculus.
Captain, it is done. Now let us watch the Xenos burn.
There is an observation platform overlooking the Cryptomethium fields. It will make a good vantage for your ambush.
Line engaged. Alien bioform eliminated. Line cloak ready. I am a alien bioform marked. Changing magazine. They shall not see. We lance that cystic Xenos monstrosity. Xenos. Active camouflage charge. No wrong way to kill a Carnifex. Stealth ready. Their numbers are no match for our trading. Line cloak ready. I see you, brother. I will heal you in no time. Jump-starting life support systems. Deploying shrapnel grenade. Readying next volley. Tossing frag grenade. Frag grenade out. Active camouflage charged. Only twitching Xenos carapaces remain.
We have arrived at Nozick's facility. Run distraction efforts as long as you can.
I will fight in the thick of his Xenos as long as you need.
I will hold you to that.
Found weapon schematics.
Prepare yourselves. For the Emperor.
Scipius at your command. Servo harness gun available. Chameleon line engaged. Stealth ready. Take all you can carry. They shall not see. Their numbers are no match for our trade. Chameleon line cloak ready. Throne. Look at them all. Could not miss if I tried. Not that it would make a dent. Brothers, together we go.
Get your stim injectors.
We are in position and have eyes on the target, Captain.
Dig in. We need that bomb triggered for optimal yield. Orbital scan estimates the bulk of the swarm will not be in position for a while yet. Keep your heads and get it done.
They're on to us. Time to start dumping Prometheum. I am a phantom of death. Reloading. Springing on trap. Active camouflage charged.
The bulk of the swarm is continuing along the predicted path. Continue holding.
Chameleon line cloak ready.
Coming from behind!
Ready another fire trap. Checkpoint located. Changing magazine. Right grenade. Stealth ready. Chameleon.
Halfway there, brothers. Keep it up.
Active camouflage charged. Unseen, I stop my target. Readying next volley.
More Tyranids! I was worried we had run out.
Set that Prometheum aflame! Cutting off the fuel.
The swarm has almost fully committed. Be ready for my mark.
Fester and rot, Xenos abomination. Active camouflage charged.
You are clear to detonate. Cook those rotten bastards. I am going to enjoy watching these Tyranids ride in the flame.
What a sight.
Tyranid biosigns down 90% and falling. Swarm annihilation confirmed. Excellent work. Move to extract.
That hovering fire!
Extraction complete.